MESSI returns, RONALDO says last year, the GOAT era is coming to an end, GOAT broken. The football world is entering an emotional new chapter. Two names have dominated the sport for more than 2 decades, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. But now, fans are facing a moment nobody wanted to arrive, the possible final years of the greatest rivalry football has ever seen. Messi-Ronaldo watch. Messi returns to action. Ronaldo hints at retirement. Lionel Messi has returned to action for Inter Miami after a difficult period away from football following the death of his father, Jorge Messi. Messi came off the bench against Club Leon in the League's Cup, returning to the pitch despite the emotional circumstances surrounding his family. Inter Miami eventually lost the match 3-2 and were eliminated from the competition. But Messi's future has also become a major talking point. Following his father's passing, Messi shared an emotional message and admitted that he has doubts about continuing his football career. He has not announced his retirement, but his comments have naturally raised questions about how much longer fans will see the Argentine superstar on the pitch. And then there's Cristiano Ronaldo. At 41, Ronaldo has shocked football fans by strongly hinting that his playing career could be approaching its final chapter. In a recent interview, Ronaldo indicated that the upcoming year could probably be his last year playing professional football. He also spoke about wanting to leave behind a spectacular legacy after a career spanning roughly 25 years. Ronaldo has already achieved almost everything imaginable in club football. He has represented Sporting CP, Manchester United, Real Madrid, Juventus, and Al Nassr, while also becoming one of the most prolific goal scorers in football history. But there is still one massive target in front of him, 1,000 career goals. Ronaldo is approaching that historic milestone, which could make the final stage of his career even more dramatic. And there is something incredibly emotional about the timing. For years, Messi and Ronaldo competed for trophies, goals, records, and individual awards. Fans around the world argued endlessly over one question: who is the greatest? Now, instead of asking who is better, football fans may soon be asking a different question. How much longer can we watch both legends play? Messi is back on the pitch, but his future remains uncertain. Ronaldo, meanwhile, appears to be preparing for the possibility that his final season is already here. Their careers may have taken different paths, but together they transformed football forever. From Barcelona and Real Madrid to the Champions League, international football and the biggest stages in the world, Messi and Ronaldo created a rivalry that may never be repeated. So if this really is the beginning of the end, football fans should appreciate every remaining match, every goal, and every magical moment. Because one day, Messi and Ronaldo will both be gone from the pitch. And when that day arrives, an entire generation will realize just how special this era truly was. Who is the greatest of all time, Messi or Ronaldo? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest football news.